How to turn off video. Autoplay on Reddit. Turning off video. Autoplay on Reddit is quick and easy. Let's get started. 1. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Reddit app. If needed, update it to the most recent version. 2. Open the app, enter your login credentials, and sign into your account. 3. Once logged in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. 4. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. 5. In the Accessibility section, look for Media and Animations and tap on it. 6. You'll see the option for Autoplay video previews. Tap on it and a menu will pop up. 7. To disable Autoplay, select Never from the available options. That's it. Once you've turned off this setting, videos will no longer autoplay. You can also disable autoplay for animated images if needed. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.